In today's episode, we are making one pot tomato rice, the quickest tomato rice you've ever made in your life. Quick and easy, and the kids will be asking you for more. Welcome to Cooking with Cassie and Family. Quick and easy tomato rice. Here's the highlighted comment of the week. Thank you to every single person who have subscribed to the channel, left a positive comment, and shared these videos with friends. You are the true MVP and the most valued members of the family. There are many different ways to make this dish, but this one is my lazy version. Let's go. Here's what you'll need. All of these ingredients can be adjusted and replaced for any other ingredients that you prefer, but you can't make tomato rice without tomatoes. Today I'm using the fresh tomatoes. I will be chopping these in small cubes, but you can also use canned tomatoes if you do not have fresh ones. They work just as well. I'll be dicing up some onions. Today I have a sweet onion, but any kind of onion will do. I will also be pairing my onion with some garlic. I will be blending the garlic and onions later on in this video. You don't have to use both garlic and onion. You can choose one or the other, or choose to use both. Here I have some dried thyme. I will be adding this to my rice when I'm cooking it. Also optional, I have this small orange bell pepper from my sister-in-law's garden and thought it would make a beautiful garnish for the rice. This recipe does not call for bell pepper. For my seasonings, I will be using some simple seasonings. Today I have sazon. Any sazon will do, or any other seasoning blend, and 3 bouillon cubes. One will be added to the rice and the other 2 for the tomato sauce. Today I wanted to keep it very simple, quick, and easy. Use any seasonings that you have on hand. As you know, I am a huge advocate for using what you already have at home. You will also need a can of tomato paste. This recipe only calls for half a can. That is all the ingredients that you will need to make this beautiful dish. Adjust any ingredients that you don't have. Use what you already have at home. From here, you'll want to start prepping your ingredients as the next few steps go by very quickly. Have your tomatoes chopped. Mine are roughly chopped. Nothing fancy over here. Set that to the side. Then you'll want to have your garlic and your onions chopped and ready to go. We will be blending this up so they don't have to be perfect. And of course, you'll be needing some rice. Okay, here's my trick. I'm pairing basmati rice with long grain jasmine rice. This pairing is magical. A simple trick I learned from my mom. When I put them side by side, can you tell the difference? Which one is which? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one is the jasmine rice. I know you can do it. It's an easy question. These are going to be cooked at the same time using my rice cooker. Okay guys, in 2025, let's make our lives easy by using a rice cooker. Get a rice cooker, sis. Thank me later. To prep the rice, it's very simple. You're going to add 2 cups of jasmine rice to the rice cooker, 2 cups of basmati rice to the rice cooker as well. Adjust according to the quantity of rice you are using. If you don't have a rice cooker and you need to learn how to make rice on the stove, check the description box down below. There I will link a previous video in which you can learn how to make delicious rice over the stove. It's really simple and easy. To season your rice, you'll need to add oil, thyme, or any other aromatics of your choice, and 1 bouillon cube or Maggi cube. You'll add this to your rice cooker to cook, and for 4 cups of rice, it should only take about 10 minutes. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more one-pot, quick and easy recipes just like this one. Once your rice is ready to go, add to the side and set for later. Now it's time to blend our onions and garlic. We want to make a paste. This will give your rice a bomb flavor. The flavor can't be beat. The onion and garlic really does take this dish to a whole new level. Technically, you don't need to do this step, but I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Add 3/4 cups of water, half a tablespoon of oil. You're going to blend this mixture until smooth. Once it's done blending, your paste will look like this. Set to the side. We will add it to the tomato sauce later. Now it's time to put the star of the show together. Time to make the tomato sauce. Can you tell I'm excited? Add your diced tomatoes or your chopped tomatoes to the pan. If you're using the garlic and onion mixture, you'll want to add that next. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste goes into the pan. Time for your seasonings. Add whatever you have. I'm adding 2 bouillon cubes, 1 packet of sazon. It really doesn't matter what seasonings you use. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, just depending on the quantity you're using. Give that a quick mix. Add to your stove for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the sauce separates from the oil. By now, your rice should be done cooking. Look at this beauty right here. A lot of you may be wondering, Cassie, can't you just add the rice to the sauce and cook the rice in the sauce at the same time? Well, yes, you can, but your risking the texture being off. When you cook the rice ahead of time, it allows the texture of the rice to be perfect with the sauce. Okay, now you get to see what I mean. Here we have our sauce. Once it's done cooking, it will look like this. What we're going to do is mix the rice in the sauce. And that's it. You see how this becomes a one-pot dish? Sauce and your rice is cooked separately, and you just simply mix them together. This is a perfect technique for those of us who are beginners in cooking rice. I love to use this technique when I'm making mixed rice. It ensures that the flavor and the texture comes out perfectly every single time. Now you're going to assemble your rice. Only add half of the pot of rice in the mixture. Once you mix everything together, then add the other half of the rice. Again, texture is very important. The whole point of the one pot dish is to have one component. Mix the rice with the sauce so that you're not adding the sauce on top of the rice. I hope that made sense. Either way, I encourage you to give this recipe a try. When all of your components are mixed together, assemble your presentation. You can choose to eat this with meats. I will be pairing mine with some seasoned chicken, or choose to eat this vegetarian style. I will be adding my bell peppers that you saw earlier to enjoy with the rice on the side. No matter how you choose to pair this dish, it goes well with pretty much everything. And that's a job done. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you enjoyed today's video. A huge thank you to you for making it to the end of the video. Please remember to share with a friend you know who needs to see this recipe. Subscribe for more one pot cooking recipes like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.